Hello, and welcome to St. Ursula Villa, where we embrace the characteristics of an Ursuline education and create a high-quality academic experience from our students' formative preschool years through our rigorous junior high program. On the Villa's lovely 22-acre historic campus, our dynamic and dedicated teachers nurture every child's potential through small classes and individual attention. Students' educational experiences are tailored to their needs, with extra faculty providing enrichment and challenge as well as academic support. At St. Ursula Villa, we create a strong academic foundation and foster spiritual and social growth, blending technology and new instructional techniques with a rigorous classical education. Development of the whole child is a hallmark of St. Ursula Villa, with many enriching sports and extracurricular offerings. All students benefit from daily specialty classes such as art, music, physical education, and library. Outdoor education classes on our nature trails provide hands-on learning and discovery while developing nature appreciation and stewardship. Every day at St. Ursula Villa is exciting and enriching, and we invite you to visit our campus soon to learn more about Villa values, education, faith, and community.